Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your hair color in a photo or video using CapCut. So here I'm using a photo and I want to change the hair color. So what you guys need to do is just go to the effects option and go to body effects, and in here just swipe until you find the roll category. So this one's right here, and in here you'll find hair color changing effects. So just click on that, and you can see now the hair color will be changed. But if you can also adjust the color by slide it to the left or right, the color here. Okay, now it's green, blue, purple, pink, blonde, and like red. So you can just choose which color that you think fits you the best. I'm going to go with this one, and you can also adjust the texture like this and the intensity. Okay, when you're done you can go back, just click on a check icon, and just like that you can also do like a before after. Like this is the before and here is the after, like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. I'll get you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.